Good morning, guys! It is, ano ba tayo ngayon? Saturday! And I have my huge luggage right here. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, nandito pala talaga yung tag ko. Tanggalin ko yan. Pero I'm gonna bring that huge luggage. I was gonna bring 2, pero I don't think I can do 2. So I'm just gonna bring this one big one. And then I'm gonna start packing today. I mean, at least I'm gonna try packing. Actually, katatapos ko lang linisan tong luggage na to kasi sobrang maalikabok niya. Kinuha ko pa yan sa kwarto ni Mark. The last time I used that was, yeah, over a year ago. My gosh, over a year ago. Ang tagal na pala nun. Yeah, and I'm gonna start packing. I'm just gonna pack like mostly clothes na para pang ginaw kasi maginaw dun. And yeah, I will still bring some summer dresses though, but you know, I don't really need it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm planning to film a video. I'm planning to film a haul tapos a review as well. So we'll see how that goes. So init as usual. Nag-film ako ng Q&A video kagabi. Sobrang init, you guys. Ay nako. Anyway, I'll go ahead and go. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye! Hi guys! Nandito ako. I'm ready to film. Well, not ready. Pinapalamig ko muna kasi I'm gonna need to do an intro video about sa review na na-film ko na yung application part kanina eh. Sa ano to? Sa... hindi ko muna ipakita sa inyo kasi I will have that up after this vlog. So yeah, it's a review. And then, gagawin ko lang yung intro nun. Tapos, I'm gonna film a haul as well. So I just wanna make sure na malamig talaga yung kwarto before ko mag-film. Kasi mag-film ako ng haul and sobrang mainit ng bonggang-bongga. I am uploading right now. Yay! It's uploaded. A 5-minute makeup challenge. This is going to be up tonight. So yeah, that's done. That's all set. April 16, 7:30. So that's all good. And then I'm uploading another video. 584 minutes remaining. 82, 81. Yay, 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 yay. That is... Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Oh, Idol Mascara Review. Yes, I did film the review on that kasi a lot of you guys requested nung finiture ko yun sa 500 peso makeup challenge ko. Maraming sa inyo na-request na I should do a review on it. So, I did. Nandito yung mga i-haul ko. So, mga... Yeah, look at this. Sneak peek. Meron akong keratin dito, you guys. So happy kasi naubusan na ako ng keratin. And perfecto kasi madadala ko siya sa trip ko. And then I have some jewelries from... Yeah, anyway, makikita nyo yan sa haul ko. And this one, really exciting. This is the micro needle roller. Meron akong ano nito eh. Hindi ko alam kung ilang percent off. 10% off ata. If you use my code, merong code na nandito, nakalista dito. I'm just gonna put the code in the description box, you guys. Pero nabasa ko yun eh. Meron akong code na ibibigay sa inyo para maka 10% discount kayo. And, well, panoorin nyo rin yung haul ko kasi i-mention ko doon. I will check that one out later. And, wait, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. Hindi ko pa siya na-open kasi ayoko pa siyang gamitin eh. And sterile kasi to. So, ayoko muna siyang i-open. And ma-open ko to pag nasa, nasa Australia na ako. So, yeah, looks like that. It looks really scary. I haven't really tried anything like this before. Oh, may mga needle talaga na nakakaloka. Itatry ko siguro siya, hindi muna sa mukha ko. Especially first time ko siyang gagamitin. She gave me the 0.5 eh. Kasi ito daw yung pinaka maliit ata na needle. Yeah, yeah, siguro. I'm not sure though. Pero yeah, yan yung binigay niya sa akin. And we'll see. That's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be vlogging the first time na gagamitan ko yan. Again, hindi muna sa face ko. But yeah, hindi muna ngayon. Hindi muna dito. But yeah, is it cold enough? I'm not sure. Oh, i-connect ko muna yung camera ko. And by the way, on my nails, alam nyo na to, sassy nail polish. Basta meron akong red na may pagka-vampy red going on sa nails ko. It's always the sassy nail polish and pussy red. And yeah, naubos na siya actually. Actually, itatapon ko na yun. Hindi naubos pero sticky na siya. And yeah, itatapon ko na yun soon. I need to buy a new one. I need to go to the city tomorrow. Yeah, as in kailangan ko talaga. Kasi ang dami kong kailangan bilhin para dalhin ko sa sa trip ko. Nakakaloka. Ang dami pa palang kulang. Hindi ko kasi naisip na last Sunday. Sana kinuha ko na lang last Sunday. But whatever. Yung importante kasi last Sunday na inisip ko, yun lang yung importante was to get my contacts and eyeglasses. And na-realize ko ang dami ko pa kailangan bilhin pala. Pero anyway, I will go ahead and start filming. And yes. Lantaw. Off limits.
Langgam mo?
Mabuag lupa silang gawin. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Malayo pa. Tapos na kami kumain. Yummers ang aming kinain. Ooh, nice to meet. Nice yung post mong ganern.
Hindi, do? Ano sila pwede nila?
Pwede.
Kita nila pwede.
Hindi pwede diha.
Ano ba? Dara mo.
Ibas.
Si Mama! Hindi, pwede malikon eh. Nayabag. Good morning, guys! It is Monday and I started packing na ng bonggang-bongga. I can't say I'm almost done, pero nag-go through ko na lahat ng gusto kong dalhin sa vanity area ko. So, this is what it looks like right now. All these I'm gonna bring with me. And then that's trash right there. And then I have some stuff in there na those I'm gonna give to my mom. And then yan sa carry-on ko yan. And then some stuff that I'm gonna bring with me as well. And that. Yan yung lalagyan ng mga nail polish ko. Na go through ko na rin lahat. And I think I picked out 6 nail polishes only na dadalhin ko. And then I have some stuff in here. And then nandito yung mga makeup na dadalhin ko. Yan at saka dyan. Yung iba nalagay ko na sa mga pouches. Like meron akong mga makeup dyan. Tapos meron din akong mga makeup dito. And then dito din. So, yes. That's what we have right now. Hi, guys! I put on a mask. Katatapos ko lang maligo. Tapos, I decided to put on a mask. And now, hindi ko alam kung paano ko susuotin yung shirt ko na hindi siya malalagyan ng mask. So, that's the situation right now. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. Kasi I was going through my stuff sa vanity ko. Tapos, nakita ko tong mask na to. And I was like, I don't wanna bring this with me. Tapos, gusto ko siyang gamitin. Ang dami nang nilagay ko. And matagal pa itong matutuyo. So, nakakaloka. How am I gonna put on my shirt? Yeah. Anyway, hindi pa rin naubos yung mask kahit na ang dami nang nilagay ko. But, yeah. Anyway, try ko pa rin ilagay yung shirt ko. We'll see what will happen. Oops. Good morning, guys! I'm gonna be packing my clothes today. Kahapon, nag-go through ko lahat ng stuff sa vanity ko. So, that's all set. Nalagay ko na siya sa bin. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-start i-pack na ilagay talaga sa luggage ko. But now, I'm gonna go through my clothes. And then, yeah, I need to finish packing today kasi I'm leaving tomorrow na. Which is like, I'm leaving tomorrow. Oh well. And ako sa Snapchat today. I deleted my previous account kasi wala lang. I just didn't know how it works. I still do not know how it works. I think I posted a picture tapos a video and hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano siya. Like, I was like, am I supposed to get comments or like what? I added it to my story. Am I supposed to do that? I'm pretty sure I already figured out how it works while you're watching this video. But If not, let me know below kasi I still do not know how it works. Where will I share it though? Like after kong after ko mag-take ng video, where will I share it? There's like me, tapos my story, tapos team Snapchat. Should I put it team Snatch? I do not know. Anyway, I don't want to think about that right now. I'm gonna go pack because again I need to finish packing today, so I just need to go through all my clothes. Dang, going through all my clothes. Yeah, I need to do that and then decide and then decide what clothes I'm going to bring and what clothes I'm going to leave here. So yeah, let's start at the bottom part. Let's start here. Ang dalim. Basta dito ko nilagay yung mga pangarang pantulog, yung mga overalls. Overalls, yung alam mo yun, yung mga malalaking tank tops na ginagamit ko pantulog. Actually, mixed to eh. Merong, yan yung bago. Tapos dun sa pinaka likod is yung mga sweaters ko. And I'm also gonna paint my nails today because I groomed it yesterday. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this is a struggle. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. I parang started to segregate it. Parang dito, sure ako, nadadalhin ko tong mga to. And then, that I do not even know anymore. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring that. Tapos itong pile na to, I think, I'm still thinking if I should bring or not. Like, you know, I will get back to that later. These, I'm sure I'm not gonna bring. And these as well, I'm sure I'm not gonna bring. But yeah, that's a lot of clothes to bring though. And I'm not done yet. Dalawang closet, dalawang racks pa lang yung natapos ko. I still need to go through this and this. So this is hard, you guys. So you know what? I should get my luggage tapos start putting them sa luggage and see. Mas nahihirapan ako, guys. Tingnan nyo nga yung nandito yung shoes ko pa lang. Tapos, ito mga undergarments ko. Kasi sure talaga ako na dadalhin ko sila. So, it's there. And then, I have a lot of clothes na I still need to go through. Hindi ko alam. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need jeans, which are right here. Pero hindi ko alam kung dadalhin ko lahat. Meron na akong maraming naiwan. Nilagay ko na siya sa closet ko. Pero, yeah, it's so hard. Tapos, nandito pa yung mga jogger pants ko, yung mga leggings ko. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need those. But, I don't know if I'm gonna bring all of them. Para naman akong hindi na babalik. Nakakaloka. Tapos these, I'm sure I'm gonna need these. Ito yung mga long sleeves na mga damit ko. And then mga cardigans ko, which are right there. And then some are here. And then it's just every freaking where. These naman, mga rompers and dresses. I don't think I need these, actually. Oh, I do have this one. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna bring this one, my flannel. Tapos yung denim top ko. And then another thin flannel. Tapos ito is a romper. Ito yung na-go through ko na kahapon. I just need to rethink. Ito yung lipstick organizer ko na I really want to bring with me, but I'm not sure if I can. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna start so i-go through ko na naman siya yung mga nandito, and then I'm gonna start putting them here para yeah, because I need to yeah, okay. This is what I have so far, you guys. So, inuna ko yung mga sure ako na dadalhin ko talaga. So, everything is in there. Unfortunately, I don't think I can bring my lipstick organizer with me. It's so hard, but I need to leave it here. Next time na lang, dadalhin kita. Next time, okay? Diyan ka lang muna kasi, yeah. Pero, if meron akong space, which I do have a lot of space still, ibabalik ko yung lipstick organizer. But for now, ito na muna yung mga sure ako na dadalhin ko talaga. So, I have some clothes in there na. And I'm all set with bottoms. So, well, not the shorts, but yung mga jeans at saka leggings ko nandun na lahat. And then, some of my long sleeve tops, tapos some dresses, nandun na rin. Actually, only one dress. And this is what I have left. And, yeah, I'm gonna go through this. And then, yeah. Bibili kami ng ice cream. Kaya lang mainit pa. Hinintay namin wala ang init. Tsaka! Ay, kaya wala na! Wala nang init. mainit pa rin, pero mainit pa rin. Hi guys! It's sobrang gabi na. I finished packing. Actually, I unpacked twice, tapos pack na naman. Kasi I just wasn't sure. I couldn't really tell kung ano yung 20 kilos. 20 kilos kasi yung ano ko. And yeah, pero tapos na siya. I took off a lot of clothes from the original na packing na ginawa ko. I think I'm fine. I do not know, pero whatever. Anyway, I got 2 packages today, you guys. I got a package from Fast Find, yung nag-send sa akin ng package before. She's selling SG Authentic Makeup, and she sent me this Gluta Papaya hand and body lotion, which is perfect. I'm gonna bring that with me. And then she sent me this brush as well. And then she also sent me this glitter nail kit. So marami siyang mga ganyang ganap. Unfortunately, I will not be able to bring these two kasi I don't think I'm gonna use them. I'm so sorry. I would love to. If only I'm not traveling, I would try this and, you know, make a video, but like, yeah, just not now. By the way, I've painted my nails, and you guys, I found the my post nail polish in the shade Touch of Beige, yung pinaka-favorite ko. And I found it sa Gaisano Tabono kasi we went during the weekend. And yeah, I'm so happy. I have it on my nails right now. And siya lang mag-isa. As in, bongga. Destiny talaga. Kasi siya na nag-isa matera. What? Kasi siya na lang mag-isa natera. And then I got a package from Color Collection. Yeah, Color Collection. So I'm gonna do a haul on these, so I'm not gonna show you guys yet. I'm actually participating on their makeup challenge. I think it's the No Mirror makeup challenge. I already did one, but this time I'm gonna be using just Color Collection products. So yeah, I'm gonna bring that with me so I can participate. You guys, I will need to close the vlog. Wala na munang shoutouts ngayon kasi I need to finish everything. Yeah, kailangan ko i-ready lahat. And bukas I'm gonna vlog because bukas will be my travel day, whatever. So yeah, pasensya na muna na walang shoutout ngayon, but sa next vlog ko, I'm gonna do my best to do the shoutouts. But yeah, sobrang busy lang. I need to finish everything, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's boring. It's just literally me in the house always naman talaga. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!